Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for 2024, and this is the week of March 11th to the 17th. This is my birthday week, so my birthday is March 15th. Now, I'm filming this on the 11th. It is like 5 o'clock on Monday, so I'm late to the game, but I still wanted to film this because this is my birthday week. So I know I want to use one of these Gabriella Elena Designs kit deco sheets. I love these for the Hobonichi Weeks. So I'm debating between this one here called Macarons, which is really cutesy, pinks and desserts and stuff like that, or this one, which is Graceful Florals, because my birthday celebration with my friends is a garden party brunch that I'm throwing at my house. If you want details on how I'm throwing it, I'm posting videos and vlogs on my other channel. But then I do have this birthday kit. This is a birthday celebration kit from Gabriella Elena Designs. It's really cute, but it's not really the theme of my birthday. So I'm debating between those three. Like, this is truly the theme of my birthday party. Like this pinks and greens and florals. So I feel like this I can use in the summertime. So I feel like one of these has to be it. And I don't know if I should go with my theme or go with the birthday kit. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm really excited about it. So if you guys are curious, I'm pulling 772, 192, and 817. So, hi guys, I am doing a quick voiceover just for this portion for the first like 20 seconds because I wanted to lay down the base, and I guess I didn't want to do it on camera talking it through, but I am going to talk you through the plans. This is the week of my birthday and I am so excited. So let's jump into my actual plans for my birthday week. I'm going to highlight every other day just to, again, bring in more color. And then we're gonna fill in my plans together, and then we can add more deco. So I like to add the deco at the end, just so it gives me an idea of, you know, how much space I have. I actually do wanna put a piece of floral on the side, so maybe one of these. I love using these vertically. And I don't have many plans. I think Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe. I don't have too many plans there. So just put that down. Oh, so pretty. I'm trying to see how I fill in my week. So there could be some space. Ooh, maybe I'll put one right there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we have a little bit of space up here. Maybe I'll use, oh, I wish there was room for this truck. Let me just see. Let me just try, because I really like this little truck. Ooh, I could fit it up there. Should I do it? Or should I put the truck over here? No, I'm just gonna put it right here because it fits. Oh, and I also need a March script. I'm all over the place, you guys. I thought that I'd be a little bit more organized if I did the base, you know, sped up, but clearly I'm all over the place. I could use one of these. Should I just, yeah, I'm just gonna use one of these. These are actually tabs technically, but I didn't use them for tabs, so I'm just gonna use it as a monthly sticker. So we have the month of March. I'm gonna put that on this side. Oops, there we go. All right, let's add in some plans and then we can go back in if we need to add more deco. So this is a really busy week for me. This is the week of my birthday, so I'm gonna see a lot of friends, a lot of family, and I just have a bunch of plans. So we're gonna jump right into it. Today, which was Monday, I actually went to visit my family. I went to visit my mom. So I think I'm gonna use a heart icon. I should have planned these out, but clearly I didn't. Where am I? Oh, here we go. because I love seeing my mom. I also, oh wait, I totally forgot. I got coffee with my friend, so I'm gonna mark that in. I haven't seen this friend in over 4 years before the pandemic, and we just started chatting again. So he lives near my mom, so we actually got together first. I had coffee with him, and then I went to see my mom with Peter. And then this is lunch with Mom. All right, and I also did some thrifting this day, but I'm not gonna put that in here. You guys will probably see that in my Hobonichi cousin, but these were like the set plans. And then let's see, tomorrow my full day is going to be filming. Once every few weeks, I do set myself a filming day because it's just easier to film a bunch of stuff in one day. And do I just have a YouTube? I don't have a camera. What? I feel like I should have a camera for filming. All right, that needs to be put on my list because I swore I had a camera. Do we have a camera in here? Oh, here's a camera. Okay, yeah, we definitely need to, do we want, yeah. So I'm gonna use this little camera for filming all day. I never know which side to put it on. I'm gonna write in filming day, put it on this side so they're not all on the same side. And then Wednesday, I have a full day with my friend Natalie. We are going to make charm bracelets. We are going to go to lunch. We're gonna go get dessert. We're gonna go shopping. And we're gonna just celebrate my birthday. She can't come to my birthday brunch on Saturday, so she wanted to take me out. So I'm really excited about that. And let's mark that with maybe a shopping bag, because we're gonna go shopping, make bracelets and stuff like that. So I think that would make the most sense. So let's use one of these purses. Or should I use balloons? Because we're kind of celebrating my birthday. You know what? I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna use the balloons because it is my birthday celebration technically. So yeah, let's do that. I'll put the balloons there and I'm gonna write in with Nat and I'll know what that means. So that's just celebrating all day with her. I'm so excited and grateful for her friendship. I love her so, so much. Thursday I have therapy. So I'm gonna use one of these little therapy stickers. And I think I'm just gonna keep things simple with these black and white icons this week. So I'm not gonna pull in any characters. I don't think. I could be wrong. I might take that back. And then the 15th is my birthday. I'm gonna be 33 years old. And oh no, I don't have anything else besides balloons. Let me see if I have a different colored balloon just because it's my actual birthday. So we have these. Yeah, let's use like a pink one to mark my actual birthday. Nice and big. So I'm gonna put in 33rd birthday. All right, and then this night, my boyfriend's taking me to dinner and stuff, so I guess I could mark that. Yeah, let's mark that. Yeah, we're just going out for a simple dinner. Not simple, I'm sure it's gonna be very, very nice. Oh my gosh, these keep ripping. These are not cut that well, makes me sad. All right, this one did not rip. I'm gonna put that down here. I'm gonna put dinner with my boyfriend. I'm so sorry if this has been wobbling. I just realized it's been wobbling, so I apologize. But Saturday the 16th is my birthday brunch, and I think I'm gonna mark that just with maybe one of these florals because it is like a garden party theme. This one, it's kind of big, but that's okay. So I'll just put this right here. Oh, I could overlay that. Yeah, let's do that because I'm gonna have like, again, a garden party themed brunch, but we're gonna do like a mimosa bar and we're gonna have like a bagel bar and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use these little clinking glasses and I'll just overlay that over the florals. Cute. I'm gonna put B-Day brunch with girls. And it's gonna be 6 of us. It's super intimate and it's gonna be really fun. All right, so again, if you want details on that, go check out my other channel. We're also doing candle painting. I've never candle painted, I'm so excited. Okay, so there's that. And then Sunday, I actually have lunch with my family. So, you know what? I actually might pull out ooh, where would that be? I have a sticker where it's like a whole group of people from Coffee Monsters Co. like eating together. I have some in here, I think. Pretty sure. Yes, these like meal stickers with families like this. So I'm gonna put that, like a small one here. I'm gonna put that in. See, I told you guys I wasn't using characters, yet here I am. I'm gonna put that over here. I'm gonna put B-Day lunch with fam. All right, so I have a full week, you guys, nice and busy, and I'm really excited about it because, you know, it's nice to celebrate your birthday. I don't need to do anything huge typically, but I'm excited. I had to stop filming for a second, but I wanted to come back on and just finish up really quick. Everything's pretty much done, but I wanted to finish up and do the outro, obviously. So I like how this looks. I do want to bring in more florals, but these pieces are so big. I think I'm going to take this like floral piece here and just cut it up, or at least cut it in half, and just use that as some, you know, borders or side deco. So I'm gonna put one maybe here and then one on this side to just balance things out a bit. I'll put it going this way. Look at the bouquet. So this little flower basket, actually, it's not a bouquet. So I'm just gonna put that right there on the edge. Really like how this looks, and I'm gonna put in my to-do list later, but overall I really like this floral kit for this week, especially because this is the exact theme of my birthday party. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what's left over. I have a lot of pieces left over, so I can definitely use this for like a daily page in my Hobonichi cousin, so I'll probably save it for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.